In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare error 520 web server error. If you've encountered this error, you're likely frustrated and unsure of what's causing it. It happens when Cloudflare is unable to successfully connect to your web server, and it can be due to a variety of reasons, ranging from server issues to incorrect settings. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step process to troubleshoot and fix this issue. By the end of this video, you should have your website up and running smoothly again. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign into the Cloudflare dashboard. To do this, navigate to cloudflare.com and log in with your credentials. This is your central hub for managing your website settings and configurations, so make sure you have access to the correct account. Once you're signed in, select the site that's showing the error 520. If you manage multiple domains, take your time to ensure you're working on the correct one. This step is crucial because any changes you make will only apply to the site you select. Next, head over to the DNS settings for your site. You'll find this option in the navigation menu. Here, locate the A or CNAME record that your site uses to handle traffic. These records are like roadmaps that direct visitors to your website. Now, you'll notice an orange cloud icon next to these DNS records. This indicates that Cloudflare is actively proxying traffic through its network. To troubleshoot the 520 error, you'll need to click the orange cloud icon and turn it gray. This action switches the record to DNS-only mode and temporarily bypasses Cloudflare. Once you've done this, test your site to see if the error disappears. If the error goes away, it's a sign that the issue lies somewhere within your Cloudflare configuration. If the problem persists, the next area to check is your security settings. Go to the security section in your Cloudflare dashboard, then navigate to Settings. Here, set the security level to low. This reduces the aggressiveness of Cloudflare's security features, which might be interfering with legitimate requests to your site. While still in the security section, open the Web Application Firewall, or WAF, and review your firewall rules. Sometimes, these rules may block or challenge common requests. Temporarily disable any rule that you suspect might be causing the issue, and test your site after each change. This will help you identify whether a specific rule is the culprit. Another potential factor to check is the browser integrity check. You'll find this in the security settings. Turn it off temporarily and see if it resolves the problem. Similarly, navigate to the security bot section and disable bot fight mode if it's enabled. These features are designed to protect your site, but can sometimes interfere with legitimate traffic. Next, move on to the caching section. Under configuration, you'll see an option to purge everything. Click this to clear Cloudflare's cache. Wait for the cache purge to complete, then reload your website. This ensures you're testing with the most up-to-date settings. Afterward, go back to the security section and open the Events tab. Review the logs for entries labeled block, challenge, or JS challenge. These logs can provide valuable insight into what's causing the issue. If you identify a specific feature responsible for the error, disable or adjust it as needed. Finally, once you've resolved the error, you can begin re-enabling Cloudflare's protections gradually. Turn features back on one by one, testing your site after each change. This allows you to keep only the settings that don't cause issues, ensuring your site remains secure without triggering the error 520. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the source of the error 520. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.